Here are some high-protein meal ideas for muscle building. 1. Grilled chicken breast with quinoa and steamed vegetables. Here is a simple recipe for the food. The ingredients are 1 boneless and skinless chicken breast, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup mixed steamed vegetables, for example broccoli, carrots, and green beans, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Instructions. 1. Preheat grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. 2. Season the chicken breast with salt and pepper on both sides. 3. Grill the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until cooked through. 4. In the meantime, cook quinoa according to package instructions. 5. Steam mixed vegetables until tender, about 5 minutes. 6. Serve the chicken over a bed of quinoa, topped with steamed vegetables and a drizzle of olive oil. Enjoy your delicious and healthy meal. 2. Protein smoothie with almond milk, banana, peanut butter, and whey protein powder. Here is a simple recipe for the food. Ingredients. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 medium-ripe banana, 2 tablespoons natural peanut butter, 1 scoop whey protein powder, about 28 grams, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Instructions. 1. Add all ingredients to a blender. 2. Blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until smooth and creamy. 3. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy immediately. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious smoothie. 3. Eggs with whole grain toast and avocado. Here is a simple recipe for the food. Ingredients. 4 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 4 slices of whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, sliced, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Instructions. 1. Crack the eggs into a bowl and season with salt and pepper. Whisk to combine. 2. In a large nonstick pan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 3. Pour the eggs into the pan and cook until set, about 3 to 4 minutes. Flip the eggs and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, or until the yolks are cooked to your liking. 4. Toast the slices of whole grain bread until golden brown. 5. While the toast is still warm, mash the avocado with a fork and mix in the lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Serve the eggs on top of the toast and spread the avocado on top. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious breakfast. 4. Greek yogurt with mixed berries and almonds. Here is a simple recipe for the food. Ingredients. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt. ½ cup mixed berries, for example, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. 2 tablespoon almonds, chopped, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Instructions. 1. Spoon the Greek yogurt into a bowl. 2. Top the yogurt with mixed berries. 3. Sprinkle chopped almonds on top. 4. Drizzle honey over the top if desired. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious snack. Thanks for watching. Please try and share it to the people who you think might enjoy these recipes.